I am an invisible woman. Not because people refuse to see me, they know I am there. It's as if my womanness detracts from my existence, and my presence too often mistaken for absence. I am an invisible woman whose words don't flow fast enough, whose beats just aren't fat enough, whose contribution goes unseen. They know I am here because I was there. See, I rock the mic as he did. I spit rhymes as he did. I bore hip hop as he did. We nurtured it. I am an invisible woman. I am an invisible woman. Now, I may not be seen, but I'll be damned if I won't be heard. Yes. So I am Toni Blackman. I'm a woman in hip hop. And I wrote that piece because I got tired of being ignored and thought that the best way to honor myself would be to honor my voice.